yeah, the money showdown. Very dark man say, Ghana, young penny for no, or Nigeria for na carbon no more fraud.
Sema kwa biom Farmer Ghana and TV so dia me so any promise the blogger. Yenua a friend the reason show and I say or ye hosted the reason show in Sambia to just say. As a very dark man Baba kan say Ghana, the economy no, Fraudst3rs and the Obama economy no ejina. Na up to now Ghana police intimi nya wonhwe abra abrantin tia ba o man nemu na san kone de. Na ogidi said asama akwane ka no no kre. Nsem no say no di to bia na yakwohwe video nimba na ewi a yanso ye be kire adwin e wo.
We Nigeria ni guy we a friend now, the very dark man. Now, John Mahama and IGP Yahuno Muntie. Hey, the reason why I Ghana for more can Nigeria for us all the time. Na ye niya bere say Nigeria for ewa dreamy per se. They want to manipulate and destroy our system. You can't say abayinti no. IGP etimi sesa police car mumuntum say abron nyefia we aka asembia tono so wankaso obekono wadidi wo emfa so wadidi na attempt die yi na ye man showdown. Very dark man say Ghana yam penny for no omne Nigeria for na aka bom no mo de fraud eye economy no adia anuwo adia denigration pa na chance say a citizen of other country enya the boss the audacity etna ne chrome eye video say ye elections aye no eye Fraudst3rs I ho Nigeria ena wo boy be boa aban ema ni winning elections almost sponsor ye environment no encourage Fraudst3rs entina Nigeria fraud for nyina na wo country mu wow. But IGP national security Iyoko airport security none of them sees anything wrong. But when it comes to Ghana ni we TikTok be fia be et baby Canada chere John Mahama dia now ye wo ekroma ye wo judges ya wo mutimi ka se Ghana ye animal kingdom nti ebi so chen bi nti yanchi obi ni detain obi ni emfa ne nkɔ remand ne nsati as a punishment na a whole judge oti kromo say Ghana ye animal kingdom adaya yenkotie Idi Amin a dictator. What a shame. This is Ghana for you. Tie de yakano ekrono it has been hijacked by crook educated fools, corrupt criminals in the system. And the Ghana young people, mobile brew rough. To the son say Nigeria need to meet Nigeria. Kase or catch we are seeing now videos now a far away. Say and this year buying and Fraudst3rs a free Nigeria by inauguration. What John Mahama by inauguration. Now say ye can Nigeria first. Now say John Mahama IGP. Any national security woman you under the president in career and no can be picture will say, hey, Ghana, and no one wants to say Nigeria for no, they have more less respect for the people and they feel to intimidate Ghanaians all because of the abide way of power. Can you imagine say when MPP was in power, such foolishness and stupidity from these Nigerians, they can't do that. A yedena Mahama power in Kwa NDC for ebaye. Nigeria forget the balls to challenge Ghanaians, insult Ghanaians, denigrate that, disrespect Ghanaians. Now, this guy, Ghana, national security, airport security, almost want to say, Obiye Chatro, a huge allegation, I go mine anyone say, international stage. Now, so we cast some way to a man way, so if we say, Obiye says, Ghana, encourage fraud, and there's a Fraudst3rs which they hold our economy based on this very dark man, Nasimuaka. Odu airport no ya anya hwe say ye Ghana ni na aka adoma amose ho asema e na wo ka asema ye friend hate speech dia Mahama say ye use IP address emfa mehwe kwasiafo kuro kwasiafo mpanimfo a monitor ye jimmy too much na you to no all dey so nepa momfa mo adwen
won say ye say asem bi wo no mo isi a ye twa mo baabi e dey dance here alita mekanisa very dark man ever responded to a Ghana ye demonstration a ye a year now, I think last week Saturday, yes, last week Saturday. A demonstration, the United States, Nigeria for more money, no, 77 period, I shall, moye, and my mind, and Yamane conform. After it's a fraud, kidnapping, and then Pakum cost be after so call your market now. As a maji, joining now, after I'm a union Ghana for the crown, in your baby, and Tomadia. Sounds so call ye few more. Then gonna be behind it. 200 Nigeria they come up to 300 cities. That's one sex system no e dey amayen. We any money be na am to Ghana for 80 the street. some more demonstration at the Nigeria for a more money na Ghana abino upon Nigeria for no. It's on to demonstration needing Nigeria must go. Now, me demonstration and I said there a lot of issue. I want to interview the so no be a channel doing when a very dark man, wild and very dark man, guy here on Nigeria, yes, the picture at the high. Eba catch there, Ghana for say. Ono there, who no say Nigeria in 7 years cancer or some calling nano. Maybe I don't know by Adrian, Igbo Ken Nediano. But aside, I know the on Ghana for Nigeria, almost Nigeria must go because Nigeria is now Ghana economy Negina. And all my Ghana economy Negina in which way? Sorry, which way? What them say? Fraudsters, fraud, just a fraud. And I'm a Ghana economy no, etimi Negina. What them say? Nigeria politicians need to be there. Into money laundering no. Ghana has no money invest on Sikano. Ewo. Into no more fraud or more ya. Economy no change that Ghana economy no is backed by fraudulent money. This is what he said. Now, Okaza asked him way no. Ghanaians need people for your own responding and say, Massa, what kind of allegation are you making? Why are you painting our country black in the eyes of the world? Now, if you ask me who is my Ghana, your mind almost saw a fraud so this conversation was going on, and we were expecting to hear something from the government, something from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and even something from the Ghana ambassador to Nigeria to even say something about this, because this guy is someone or one number, so-called Facebooker, almost 3.1 million followers, Instagram almost 3 million, TikTok almost 3 million, YouTube almost 300,000 subscribers. So our numbers now, and we're posting so Facebook will post less than 24 hours on them 1.something million, 2 million, Instagram, TikTok 500,000, 1 million, YouTube 200,000, 300,000. So whatever he says now, it goes far. So for someone to allege that your country's economy is being backed by fraudulent money and as a fraudulent activities, and I'm economy there. And this person walks into the country, goes to the one of your markets, so kind, grant interview there, and immigration, customs, national security, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Ghana ambassador to Nigeria, Obiankasa. But if it was from a citizen of the Republic of Ghana, by this time, IGP, Christian Tete Yono, aka NDC, a youth organizer, this is what Ghanaians are saying. And it feels like our leaders are making Ghanaians feels like what the guy said is true. Because someone has alleged that your country's economy is being backed by fraudulent money. And I say fraud money. And that person walks into the country and nothing happens. What did I say? He walks into the country and nothing happened. BNC. So in that case, you give the people the kind of idea and they feels like, so could it be like what the guy is saying is true? And what's me about country name actually NC? That's the question people will be asking. Say, because the person that have been able to say something, and what he said, up to now, the government have not said anything about it. The same person walked into the country, goes to one of the markets in the country and even grant an interview, and the security system, security services in the country, watch this person do whatever he wants to do and goes back to his country. So that's the kind of conversation among for had with media. So I think it kind of makes sense. Yes, it kind of makes sense. It really makes sense. If you think that doesn't make sense, then maybe you have a problem. But it makes sense with what the reason show guy is saying. It makes sense. See, this country, our leaders are joke, I swear. They are just joke. Like, I don't know, but they are joke. And it's very sad, but that's it. If you want to share a comment section, no, how you can answer TV. I'm not promise the blogger. It has.